Alright, we're back at it again. This time he's taking out screws. Let's try not to explode this time, okay? Oh, well, there goes these. What? You need this part, Ian?
No, I don't need it.
Need this part?
No. I don't need any of these parts.
Dang, this is heavy. Yo, can you snip the cords off
Why?
of this? Just because. You might explode from it, but who cares? Just this one. Okay.
Watch your foot. I thought I was the idiot here.
Yes! Yeah!
Why?
I don't know. Alright, let's throw this one now.
Now no, you're not throwing that one.
But why? Why won't you let me throw the battery?
Because no, and you're picking that one up.
Alright, fine.
There's a screw right here I didn't unscrew. Kill you. No, think about it, do you?
I'm about to die, man. I'm about to die. Alright. Just note we're doing this for fun. We're not repairing it or anything.
If anything, we're de-pairing it.
Yeah.
There's less script. No! Bad Damien. Hey, I wonder if it. Beep, beep, beep.
Drone strike incoming.
One second, let me put it in the launch codes.
Wait, what?
You'll never see the codes.
Yo, can I throw this one?
No. I said no. Oh yeah, so you know the cord? I
What?
took it out and it's my whip. I have a microwave cord whip. Back to what?
And just so you know, he's not racist.
That's what they think. I'm kidding. I'm not gay. I'm racist. There's a difference. How dare you hurt my microwave?
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Get this screw out. Yes!
Delete us.
Yo, there's a notebook.
Yeah,
Man, get out of here.
that had all my research in it.
Oh, shit.
No, I'm kidding.
Yo, Ian, this remind you of something?
Other than your mom, no. What is still holding this in place? That's what's holding it in place.
Snip, nip, snip time.
No.
Just tear it off.
Look at that. Look at this is the number thing.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
With what?
That stuff. Looks like super glue.
Probably is.